Welcome, fam. Coach Nate here. Whether you sit all day, or you woke up with stiff shoulders, a tight lower back, or that I need to stretch ASAP feeling, you're in the right place. This routine is exactly what you need. I designed the stretch routine so that we can focus on deep spinal release and flexibility. This routine will help you wake up your body with smooth, flowing movement, stretch out tight muscles and improve posture, feel refreshed, energized, and ready to move. Most people skip stretching in the morning or throughout the day, but not you. You're here taking care of your body, and that already puts you ahead, meaning you're a winner. And if you spend long hours, I've got something special for you. Wait till the end to find out. We're starting with child's pose, the ultimate grounding stretch to relax the spine and open up the hips. Kneel on the mat with your big toes touching and knees apart. Sink your hips back toward your heels as you stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat and breathe deeply. Hold for 1 minute, allowing your body to sink into the stretch. Child's pose gently decompresses the spine, opens the hips, and calms the nervous system, making it a perfect way to start the day. Beginners, place a pillow or block under your forehead for support. Advanced stretches, walk your fingertips even further forward to deepen the stretch. Feeling that deep release, wait until we open up the chest and back in the next stretch. Let's flow into Cobra Stretch to activate the spine. Now we're shifting into a deep back extension to open the chest and spine. Lie face down on the mat with your hands under your shoulders. Press into your palms and lift your chest, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. Cobra Stretch lengthens the spine, improves posture, and counteracts slouching, making it essential for anyone who sits a lot. Beginners, stay on your forearms in Sphinx pose for a gentle stretch. Advanced stretches, fully extend your arms for a deeper stretch. Think this feels good? Wait until we target those tight shoulders next. Let's stretch the shoulders and chest in puppy stretch. This stretch opens up the chest, shoulders, and upper back while keeping the lower body relaxed. Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the floor. Keep your hips high and relax your forehead down. Hold for 1 minute, breathing into the stretch. Puppy stretch relieves tension in the shoulders and upper back while stretching the spine. Beginners, keep the forehead resting on a yoga block for support. Advanced stretches, extend your arms further for a deeper stretch. Your spine is opening up, but can it handle a flowing movement to loosen everything up? Time for a dynamic stretch with child's pose into Cobra Stretch. Now we're flowing between two powerful stretches to wake up the spine. Start in child's pose, reaching forward. Inhale as you shift forward into Cobra Stretch, lifting your chest. Exhale as you sink back into child's pose. Flow through this movement for 1 minute. This dynamic flow improves spinal mobility, stretches the back, chest, and shoulders, and loosens up tight muscles. Let's not forget that important part. Beginners, move slowly and keep the range small. Advanced stretches deepen the back bend in Cobra by lifting higher. Feeling more flexible? Let's finish with a stretch that will get your entire spine moving. Let's mobilize the spine fully with cat-cow stretch. We're ending with a spinal mobility powerhouse, cat-cow stretch. Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest, cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin, cat pose. Flow between these two positions for 1 minute, moving with your breath. Cat-cow improves spinal flexibility, posture, and circulation, leaving you feeling awake and ready for the day. Beginners move slowly and keep the range small. Advanced stretches deepen the spinal movement and engage the core. Think your spine feels loose now? Imagine how good you'll feel if you do this daily. Like I promised, if you spend hours at a desk, I've got something special for you. Grab a free desk worker stretching guide linked in the description or in the pinned comment. It's packed with morning, midday, and evening stretches to keep you pain-free all day. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.